In Henderson, our strategy of logistics currently is very much focused on Germany. We think that is a market where most of the logistics players are taking most space. It's on the one hand that's the emergence of e-commerce, which is driving demand. On the other hand, Germany is as well Europe's biggest manufacturing industrial nation, and that is doing relatively well in terms of exports. So companies in that sector as well taking new space, building new space, and at the same time, on the supply side, it's still very hard for developers to find land plots to build new space. So the supply-demand kind of relationship is very much in favor of the investor. As far as the rest of Europe is concerned, logistics is still a bit more a yield play. I mean, in Germany, you pay for the pleasure to be invested. It's, prime yields are as low as 6%. But in other important logistics markets in Europe, like in the Netherlands and France, you still have about 7% net yield, so it's at least 100 basis points better than in Germany. You have to be more careful because there's more vacancy, there's less demand, but if you pick the right assets, as a yield play, it can be very attractive, especially in the Netherlands, where the banking sector is not lending as generously as it has been in the past. So if you line up, for example, with a German lender, you can kind of pick some assets and outbid the local players just are having better lending terms behind you.